vehicle just straight smashed up in there.
Yeah.
So this was a hit and run, guys. I guess the guys hit and they took off. I think they got one in suspect. Let's see if he's right here. How's it going, sir?
Well, I call you guys, that's what's up, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
I don't know what happened, but...
Was it hit and run? It's pretty damaged. Let's see what the other car looks like. They got somebody. I bet she's in that car down there at the dead end.
Or
that car.
Over here, they said they got one in pursuit.
Yeah.
And
one's outstanding, huh?
They said they had the driver in pursuit and the passenger footbail. There's two big dogs running loose down there, Rob. So you want to walk down there?
So hit and run with footbail, passenger outstanding, Ave and Gay Street, guys.
There's two big old dogs down there.
Where?
So be careful. See them down there?
Oh, yeah, yeah. No, hell no. Those pit bulls, too. I'm just going to stay right here. Be careful right there, big one. There might be dogs in there. This car right here. So you possibly footbailed that way, guys. This is on Gay Street and Cannon Avenue. Oh shoot, guys, we got a gun. We got a gun. We got a gun, guys. They have a loaded firearm in there.
Sending 13.9, channel 1.
They did find a gun. Yeah, it looks like a little 22. Sounded like a 22 click. Yeah. Yep, so that's why they ran, guys. There's his hat right there on the floor. He left his hat.
Did I see him grab that out from underneath the
No,
seat?
good call. Good call. Yeah, he had a gun, guys.
It's underneath that driver's seat right there.
That's probably why he ran. Let's try to go over here and get the crash part. See if I can see it.
3 down 3 appears to you.
The vehicle there, the damage. Yep, so they did run, guys. They footbailed. I know, it doesn't look like it. It might be hit something down there, huh? Looks like they hit something previous, guys, because this van does not have any damage. The van does not have any damage. If he was going, if his front end looks like that, that means he hit somebody else, guys. He tried to get away. We're on Gay Street and Cannon Avenue. Right here in southeast Bakersfield, guys. Right off Cottonwood. The major cross street is Cottonwood and Cannon. Oh yeah, Trayvon, that's right, brother. Together we stand, divided we fall, baby. That's why I love my group. Because we all united. Big one went and walked around the corner, guys, to see if we could possibly maybe see what he hit. Yeah, Kendra, you possibly could. They found that one under the driver's seat, loaded. They emptied the clip and discharged the bullet that was inside the chamber and put it in evidence. Oh, it's what street go? Oh, is he? You saw him?
After the copy, look at the female on the sidewalk. I'm taking a picture.
Okay. So this might have happened on the next street, or they caught one of the suspects guys on the street over. Dale, I don't have info if the car was stolen. I just know it was involved in a hit and run, and they tried to footbail, and the officers were on top of it. They got one of them right away. The other one's still outstanding. So they got the driver, huh? The driver has been arrested. They're still looking for the second suspect, and they are searching over there by the railroad tracks.
That passenger's got to have some kind of a head injury because his forehead hit that glass. You can see where it started the glass, right there where he's sitting. See that?
Oh, shit.
See that broken glass? Right
Oh,
there?
shoot, yeah.
You can see where it started the glass. Right
Oh,
there.
yeah, yeah.
There's no airbags deployed.
Nope. Yeah, look, that glass
Ooh,
is
be careful,
broken.
babe. Yeah, that glass is broken. So he hit his head in the windshield. So
Hell yeah, he hit his head in the windshield.
I think that's what folded that wheel under right there.
Might have hit a curb, but what about the top part?
Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
know.
it hit something.
Dude, I don't know if he hit that curb so hard that it...
Well,
Did it
the
bounce it
passenger's
up?
got probably a shiner, guys, because his head went to that windshield, or hit the windshield. It's all shattered.
Yeah, he could have hit that curb so hard that it shoved that
J. Jones, yes. That's exactly the way it's spelled, and don't ask me why we got to street that name, but we do. I don't know if he had a fire hydrant. I can't see the front of the vehicle.
Yeah, it's definitely bent under at the tire.
Let me see if I can squeeze over there and show you guys. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna try to come right here to get you guys a front shot. Can't really see too much tonight. No, I don't think he hit a fire hydrant, guys. There's no shape of a... Yeah, there's no evidence that there's no shape mark or nothing.
Thank you, officer. It's a purple.
Oh, too dark. The street don't have no street lights, guys. Well, there's the damage on this one, guys. Alright, guys, we're going to get out of this one. This is a hit and run. One suspect in custody, one still outstanding. Doesn't appear to be any other injuries. I don't know if the passenger has injuries. He most likely does. We're on Gay Street and Canyon Avenue, Southeast Bakersfield.